really frustrating. So it seems like there's going to be some pretty big procedural issues that we're going to have to talk about in a second here. So
On my end or their end?
yes.
Oh.
Not really from your ends, but I guess I will say this. Typically, when we do an appeal like this, it's different because they were willing to do it, right? They were
Yeah.
willing to come in here and just have it happen. But typically, we allow for their time to be discovery on the docket and all that. I think that's actually done. Nice of you to make it.
You're screaming, ma'am.
I'm away. Let's have a seat.
Damn, that means sit down, bitch. Sorry.
Watch your mouth.
Well, let's be polite here. Okay?
Of course. Who is this? Who is it?
It's me, Snow.
My client. Should he wait outside or should he come in?
Yes, this is just for you.
Snow, just be out. I'm in the chambers right now discussing your case. I mean, you give me like 5 minutes. Just wait in the.
Can I just go to the toilet if that's okay?
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
This is in 5th grade.
All right. So listen, I'm just gonna tell Ramee, or I'm gonna tell you, Denzel, what I was telling Ramee. Typically we do appeals through the docket. We let them be filed. Because you were willing to potentially take it here in court now. That's one thing. But it sounds like there's going to be some issues on your end that's going to prevent that from happening. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
What?
So
hold on. Can you explain that? Because that makes no sense to me.
Well,
so
he got arrested an hour ago, and we're arguing his arrest. We're not arguing their investigation.
Well, hold on. I have another question. Did he request a bench trial before you sent him up?
Yes, he did.
No, he did not.
Okay, why am I getting two conflicting?
He did not.
He told me he did.
Okay, yeah, he's completely lying.
Okay.
He told me he did, so he might have maybe a different officer.
I mean, listen, if Ramee's lying about that, he's putting his bar license on the line.
Yeah, exactly. And I'm not putting my bar license on.
Maybe I missed it. Maybe I missed it. That could have happened. Maybe he did.
So I guess I'm just trying to understand. Was it a bench trial requested for this, and he was just sent up?
No. So there was no lawyers available.
Okay.
Yeah.
When
I woke up, I had gotten a call to go down there because there was a client seeking a lawyer. Okay. I got down there. They say they sent him away because there was no lawyer available.
He had time served. He didn't get sent away.
Yeah.
Okay. Did he request a bench trial while he was in your custody, Denzel?
I can't. I'm not gonna lie to you, Your Honor.
I do not remember.
It's a pretty big deal if he did and you didn't give him one.
Seems like he doesn't recall, huh?
I mean, this isn't the kind of thing where you can't just not recall and be.
So, what? Okay,
I think he did. He would have lied to me, Angel. He told me. Maybe Denzel doesn't remember, or there's another officer that was down there talking to him, or something.
I feel as if maybe this guy is lying to people. So once I find him, before he was even fined, he asked for a lawyer. There was no lawyers in the yellow pages. Okay. At that point, I was like, listen, you would have to appeal this. Okay, I'm going to have to charge you.
Okay.
And that's what happened.
Okay. All right. And then I'm assuming that's why we're here.
Yes.
Because Ramee contacted you and he wanted to appeal it, right?
Yes, correct. Exactly. Because he wanted to appeal it. Yes.
Okay.
I mean, speaking respectfully here, Angel, I feel like if this would have been over by now. Honestly, the whole appeal process and everything. You know what I mean?
The thing is,
the issue is that Denzel here says that they're not ready to be an appeal. And
I
don't think I can go forward with an off the docket case like this if the other party is not ready.
Denzel, how are you guys not ready? I don't understand. This is simple, clear cut, bro.
It's an ongoing investigation.
And I don't care if you understand or not. This is his arrest. If he's appealing his arrest on the charge and you're investigating, then you wouldn't, as a normal prosecutor, you would hire a prosecutor to put it up on the docket when your investigation is done. This isn't a matter of talking about your investigation or not. This is a matter of
we have
how did you charge? He's already charged. He's already been
Yeah,
charged.
He is charged. Yes.
So I'm appealing his charges. I'm not appealing your investigation.
Yeah, but you have to wait till the investigation is done because the subpoena's happening, and we need you to
then
wait.
that's a whole different case. Then
well, that's not necessarily true. If we're appealing the charges that have been pressed against him that you presumably have evidence for, then the only reason there'd be a waiting period is for you guys to get your prosecution and the defense in a all their ducks in a row, essentially. So that everyone has time to review the evidence, so that everyone has time to prepare their defense and prepare their strategy for trial, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
literally,
if there's ongoing investigation that's relevant to future charges, that is not really relevant to his appeal. So I guess my question is, are you guys prepared to prosecute his charges that you sent him in for already?
We're not prepared.
how? Explain to me. The case, all the reports are already done. You sent me the report already. So explain
Yes.
how are you not ready?
So the report I sent you. So it's bear with me when I explain this. There's two separate reports. For some reason, it's 1181 and it's 1182.
Bro,
1182.
how does
is what I
Denzel
should've
tell
been
me to
charged
do
with
this
for the
and then
possession
fucks it
and the
all up?
robbery.
Like, I don't get it.
1181 is supposed to be the extortion. So what I did was click process on 1182. So we are not prepared.
I am currently only arguing 1182. I'm not arguing the
Yeah,
other
and that's
one.
not the one we were supposed to process him. So that's why
Okay.
we're not prepared.
So, Angel, you see what I'm seeing, right?
It's the same. It's the same. It's the same. So if you look at, can you see 1182?
So how do you
Your
charge
Honor?
somebody and then say you
Yes,
accidentally charge them with the wrong thing? I don't understand.
I didn't accidentally charge him with the wrong thing. It's the right thing. It's just the wrong report. So it was supposed to be another report. So because our evidence that leads to that is
Bro,
another
who is
report.
this?
Sorry, this is
okay, I
Cloak from the
understand.
Sanitation Union. I was just
said?
calling
Yeah.
to inquire about
You see that, Your Honor?
you being representing
said that
us. We
the
just
other
had
report,
a
the correct one is
train
1181?
fucking
Yes,
hit
ma'am.
4 union members and
I mean, I don't.
and then
see
5
how
other
that's
people that were on the
relevant.
train also got fucking massacred as well. Apparently this dude named Matt Metro is running the trains, and I think we all want to come together to do a class action against the city, all the victims from the train. We had a green
Ooh.
light. Yeah, we had a green light when we got hit by the train.
Okay,
and,
okay.
then-
I'm in the middle of a court case right now, literally talking to you.
Okay.
Can I call you back? What's your name?
Yes, sir. My name is Cleo Cloak, but you can just
once
call
you
me
go through what
Cloak.
we need to
Yeah,
go
call
through,
me
Alright,
back
That's
as
good.
soon
I
as
got
you
you.
can,
I got
sir.
you. I got you.
Future evidence that you're looking for that is not really relevant to the charges that you pushed and processed this person for. I mean, any future evidence that you get highly likely would not even be admissible to this appeal. It's not really relevant. If you sent him in for some charges, surely then you would be ready to defend these charges in the court of law.
Hey, friend, the only I think it's because his buddies are also.
That's
the
between
ones
his
that-
buddies. I'm simply arguing the charge he got sent up for that he requested a lawyer and a bench trial for. This is one charge, and it's honestly, Angel, it's pretty straightforward.
I mean, it does look pretty straightforward.
He
to
got
me.
charged with criminal possession of a firearm, and he had a flashlight on him. You're supposed to knock it down to a position of equipment, and that's it. This isn't like a fucking, like, you know what I mean? This isn't, we're not talking about a 3-hour, 15 witness docket case. That this is something that happened an hour ago that would have happened regardless if there was a lawyer, if I was around 10 minutes prior. You know what I mean? I'm talking to Denzel here. I'm not talking to you, Angel, about like, you know what I'm saying? I'm not arguing the other case or his future investigation. That's a whole different situation. He got processed for something, and I'm simply appealing those charges. Everybody's like, we're all here.
Denzel, who exactly do you need to be present to present this case? What witnesses do you need?
Officer Dakota. Officer Dakota.
Are all the people that you would need to
I need Officer Dakota, Louise. Do you want me to try to contact them, Your Honor?
Can I talk to Denzel in private really quick, Angel?
I don't really know if I want to let you do that.
Okay, all right, no worries.
I think that what's important here is we kind of get to the bottom of this issue at hand, and let's just hammer this out here before you have a chat with him, okay?
Of course, of course.
So here's the thing. Typically, these appeals will be filed on the docket. I think that's the way that most people prefer that this be done. If everyone is ready and awake to actually do this, then I think that we could probably do this right now. But if they're not, then I think it's gonna have to go to the docket.
Well, respectfully, if their statements are in the report, we don't need the officers around. There are statements on the whole
That
situation,
is typically true. Yes, that is technically true.
and their statements are in the
But
report.
the issue is, though, if we take their statements here, it's very difficult for you to actually question that.
The thing is,
the defense, Ramee.
But
there is the initial statement from Louise to get her, like when she got robbed, is what we need. Like it's not in 1182. No, you don't have a complete
okay,
one.
so
basically.
Luis is around. She's on duty right now.
Yeah, she is.
Okay,
on
so we can call Luis down here,
so
and that's
she
it.
can provide a testimony.
If you want to do that, Your Honor, I'm 100. Like I'm just I could just talk to the cabinets, let them know that you're willing to do it right now. I think they were trying to hold off, and that's it, Your Honor. But if you want to do it now, that's fine. It's my mistake that I requested it.
And my other issue is why is the captain not down here? Why are you the messenger? The captain should be down here explaining why they want to postpone it.
It's my charge. I'm the one pushing the charges against this individual.
Okay, but who wants you to postpone it? You or your captain?
Well, to be honest with you, just for the safety of this case and trying to get that firearm off the street, I'm trying to make sure that everything is done.
What in the chat
correctly.
GPT response is this?
In fairness, Ramee, procedure is very important. When
Of course. Oh no,
100%.
100%, Your Honor. I understand. You're looking great once again. I hope the working out is really paying off. You know.
Always in. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Of course.
Yeah. So that's the only reason I'm trying to postpone it. But if you want, once again, it was my mistake. I'm the one dealing with this suspect.
It's okay.
This
It's okay.
suspect
Just don't let
alone.
it happen again.
Okay. Here's what I think we're gonna do then. It seems like if you only need one officer's testimony for your entire defense, and that officer is also awake right now, or for your prosecution, I don't really understand why there's a point in delaying this. If you need time to get these other witnesses ready, if you need time to prepare in another way, then we could, most definitely push this to the docket and give it time to be scheduled. But if it's just one officer, then I don't see why we couldn't do it right now.
I mean, we can do a state announcement right now and get her down here.
Well, we'll leave that to me, Ramee. So I guess my question for you is, Denzel, do you need these other witnesses, and do you need this time to prepare? Do you want this to go to the docket?
I can I just have a quick conversation with my captain real quick? Just a quick minuscule conversation, Your Honor.
Sure. Fine.
Can I take a phone call while he's doing that?
You're more than welcome to take a phone call. Yes. This is in prison.
Yo,
Harry Brown, my man.
Ramee.
YG.
Ramee, you fucking absolute legend. I had a couple of questions for you, and I was wondering if you had an update as well.
Yeah, I do. I've been looking for you for the past 2 days. I need to talk to you, but I'm in the middle of something right now. Can I meet with you after?
Yeah, absolutely.
I'm in the judge's chambers as we speak. Doing big developments in regards to your case, by the way.
Holy shit! Yeah. You call me whenever you're done, man. I'll meet up.
All right, sounds good.
All right, talk to you in a bit.
Yeah, we got to make it sound like we've been looking for him. Angel, you see what I'm saying, right? You see what I'm dealing with.
Yes, I do. There's one thing that annoys me the most in this world, and that's
I know. And I don't know. Denzel keeps doing this.
That has some issues. So.
And Denzel keeps doing this. That's the problem. I just don't know. I don't know. Enough is enough. Eventually.
I'm not gonna say anything bad about him. And I don't think that he's sitting here trying to whisper into my ears is going to do you any favors.
No, for sure. No, for sure. That's fire.
Officer Jackson, can you come down to the courthouse, please? Yeah, because they're just trying to figure out if because they're trying to say if I have everything's ready, can I go now? I'm like, okay, let me call Officer Jackson real quick just to make sure I'm doing the right thing here.
Bro, you ain't doing nothing wrong, dumbass.
Say again. So the judge is saying that if everybody's present, then we could do it now. But the thing is, if Louis, wouldn't Louis just have to move that statement into this report, and then we'll be able to do it? Or
literally, all she needs to do is copy. God, you guys are so dumb. It's crazy.
Yeah, I understand. I'm just trying to.
Hey, we're almost we're getting finalized here. Snow, all right? You stayed here.
Yeah, no worries. All good, all good, all good.
Hey, bro,
You do your thing.
you could have made easily 30 pay slips.
Tell me about it. Yeah.
Let me make
We've been
some
here
calls. I
about
might
an
be
hour.
able to. I may be able to get you a gun. Maybe to get you a sale.
All right, sweet.
I know, just a guy.
Understand. I did explain.
Hey, Buddha, I was told 8 is crazy amount. They're going for 5 right now. 5 per.
I mean, I'm staying firm 8. Lowest I can go is 7. You know what I mean?
Yeah. No, I feel you. I mean, that's too much right now. I can't do all that. Hey, I'm on another note.
No
Hey,
worries.
I got a PD Glock. You want to buy it or no?
How much?
10K comes with ammo.
Can you give me like a couple hours to think about it?
Yeah, a couple hours. I mean, it'd be pretty badass if the sanitation union head worker was fucking bopping sanitation work.
Yeah.
Right. Hey,
yeah,
by the
know
way,
exactly what you're
I got a call, but somebody wants to file a class action lawsuit against your union. By the way, so apparently like a handful of sanitation.
Yeah, you better
workers.
tell them to fuck off.
Yeah. I'm gonna see what it's about, and then I'll give you a call. All right? Seems you got a lot of litigation heading your way, Buddha. Just letting you know.
Yeah, well, you're my fucking lawyer.
I got
so
you.
better
I
take
got
care
you.
of it,
I got
Ramee.
you. You know I got you. Let me know about the.
You better,
thing.
motherfucker.
Let me know about the Glock, because that shit's a hot commodity right now. Because the second X wakes up, he's copping it. I'm gonna keep it a stack. So just
All right, but before you send it, call me.
Yeah, I will. But just you let me know
All
if you want to do 10.
Yeah, I got
Because
time.
I'm gonna tell
Ramee.
X15. All right. I know he's gonna buy it. All right, peace.
All right, bye-bye.
There was another report that they were investigating the whole group as a whole. That was my mistake. So I was only aware of like report 1182. So that's why I was ready to go. But since the rest of I don't want to compromise the rest of the investigation just for me to get my appeal out of the way, which is selfish, Your Honor.
Okay, so here's
And
what
it's
we're
okay.
gonna do.
It's okay, Denzel.
All right.
Sometimes we, we do things we don't mean it to.
Here's what we're gonna do. Here's the plan. I'm gonna be having a chat with your captains about your performance and your behavior. There's some pretty serious issues that we need to address, and I'm going to be addressing it with them directly.
Do we need to do that? No, like
Ramee,
Angel.
Ramee,
Okay, yeah,
Ramee.
for sure.
I'm going to be suspending this for now. I'm going to have you, Ramee, make a docket post.
No,
At which
dude.
point I will take it up so that you guys can have time to finish putting together your defense and your prosecution. We will get everyone scheduled at an appropriate time. And you are going to be having to explain this to your superiors in a bit more detail, Dan.
Yeah, understood.
Oh no, for
Your
sure.
Honor.
We got that. No, for real. Thank you.
I think it's just a case of miscommunication and mishap on my end. I believe I followed every single one of my standard procedures, and my apologies.
Why the fuck is this a? Can I just ask a question? Why is this a docket case again?
Because
this happened an hour ago.
Here's the issue. Here's the issue, Ramee. Okay, we could do this right now, but
Okay.
I just had I sent off a couple emails, and I was going through some of our procedural stuff just so I could verify because this is a pretty particular issue, and I wanted to see exactly how this is supposed to be handled by the book. And you know, we could have done this if the PD didn't have stuff that was pending for this in terms of like subpoenas and whatnot.
So can I argue
that
this?
it is
really
not. It's well, I mean, you can argue it, but the decision's already been made. It's not fully resolved.
Oh fuck
It's
this
not ready
bit.
for
I'm
them
sorry.
to push. Irrespective of the fact that he's already been charged and you are appealing prior charges, that's just how it is with how things are on our back end right now. So I'm going to be honest with you. I'm not really happy about that. I personally would like to see this case right now, but that's kind of how our procedure is written, and that's how it's going to be. But you're more than welcome to put forward an argument, Ramee, so I can hear it, and we can.
My
address this in the future.
argument is listen, there is no such thing as double jeopardy, whatever bullshit. All right, if he appeals this this one charge right now that all three of us know that he's innocent on, okay. And then, when their investigation is wrapped up, no matter what, this is going to be a docket case. No matter what. What's the issue of having this getting appealed right now, and then if later when their investigation is done, then they recharge him again after the subpoenas are conducted?
Because the listen, I'm not saying I agree with you,
Got
with this,
her!
but because there are open subpoenas that are waiting to be addressed for this issue, it means that it can't be addressed.
So okay,
in a court
so then
like
why
this.
was he
It needs to be on
charged?
the docket.
Why didn't he get let go? And then why is he being charged? Why is he being charged? Say there's subpoena. Okay, let me ask you a question. Say their subpoenas go through, and he does have a Glock on him. He's already got charged for it. He's gonna get charged again.
I don't understand. A subpoena is different from a search warrant.
Oh, you just proved my point. And
Well,
I'm making the case here,
listen,
right? So like,
I understand.
he's getting charged for this, for his and possessions on this exact incident, not the entire investigation or issue. If they subpoena him, right? And I'm assuming they go through his raid warrants, whatever the subpoena his bank records, whatever, right? He's already been charged for a possession of a government firearm and for this firearm that's in questioning, right?
Mm-hmm.
He didn't have the firearm on him.
Okay, well, listen, we're going into the particularities of the case here, which we can't discuss outside of the actual trial.
So he's just negative $30,000 in the bank account until this docket case? Like, I don't understand.
That is correct. Yes.
What?
Whether you like it or not.
You know?
Listen, I would like to see this case right now.
This makes no fucking sense. Why are they waiting a fucking like a day or two to they just send him away?
Because
so if he
technically,
like, I don't get it.
The police have the right to conduct their subpoenas.
That's so dumb,
and
bro.
They are given the time to sort through them before a court like case like this is seen. They are allowed that.
This just makes no sense to me. You know? Now he can't do anything. Now he has to. Now I'm gonna sue him for more. Now I'm gonna sue for more because now he's negative $30,000 in the bank account. He can't do anything until this is on the docket. He's literally he can't operate. He can't even buy food.
To be honest,
he can't rent a
thought
car.
about that before he robbed the cop without a fucking mask.
Then maybe to be honest with you, you should have charged. You should have charged somebody the proper charges.
Your Honor, do you need me, Your Honor?
I need you two to stop the bickering. That's what we're gonna be doing. Put this on the docket, Ramee. We'll see it then.
Oh, dumb,
and no, I don't need you anymore, Denzel. You're excused.
Yeah.
Trash police work once again, Your Honor, and I'm sick and tired of being sick and tired with shit police work.
Listen, I understand your frustration. Okay, I really do.
How is he gonna even fucking go buy a food at Burger Shot? He can't even do that.
I understand your frustration. Here, I'll let you out.
I didn't come this far to come this far, Your Honor. Sorry. I just really wanted to say that. I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry. No, please don't. No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Well, you're in trouble. Listen, I understand your frustration. Okay?
Pray for times like this.
There's nothing that I hate more than shoddy police work as
Hey,
well.
what's going on, Don?
But they are given this allowance. They are allowed to do it. And we have to be fair and operate within the confines of law.
This is. Do you not see how fucking brain dead this is? Let's be honest. Do you not agree?
Do. I very.
This
much
is fucking
see it,
stupid as fuck.
I do very much agree and see your point. Yes, but again, as a judge, I have to look at the totality of the circumstances.
Because we're not ready because we have a subpoena. Then why the fuck did you charge the fucking guy in the first place?
I don't disagree.
This is so dumb. Why are they getting layups? Why are they getting their hand fed? They did shoddy police work, like you said. They did the wrong fucking thing. They charged him on some dumb shit. So why the fuck is he not getting? Why is he not getting appealed? I don't understand. Why do I have to waste my time? This could have all been wrapped up by now. I don't understand. And then they're the ones that called me to do this.
I understand and agree with you, but there's one very specific thing about this that gives them the allowance.
What? Which is
not
what?
Resolved. It's not resolved yet. They're not done with the
he's already been tried for it.
Aware. I'm very much aware, Ramee. I'm very much aware. But the only reason
Angel.
Yes.
They arrested him on possessions.
I know.
They sent him the wrong charge.
I'm aware.
This is linear. A to B equals
and
C.
It sounds like you have a very easy court case.
This is Y equals MX plus B. This is not fucking Pythagoras theorem, whatever the fuck it's called. All right?
Pythagoras theorem, the Pythagorean theorem.
Whatever. And they 24 held him. They 24-hour held him.
They did?
Yes.
Wait. I don't understand. So he got put in on a hold yesterday.
Bro, my phone is. I'm taking my SIM card out. Hold on. I can't do this right now. I'm taking my SIM card out. Go ahead.
So he got put on a 24-hour hold. Then he got released from the hold, sent into prison now, and now he wants to appeal the charges. And I don't think I understood that first part.
Thank you. Welcome to my fucking world. Welcome to my world.
Okay. Listen,
Welcome to my world. Thank you.
I think I do genuinely think though that this is best served as a docket case because
Explain, please. So, well, let me ask you a question. If I went to the captains right now and I said, guys, can we knock down these charges can we appeal these charges out of court? You refund them? Is that possible?
No, it's not really possible anymore. They've already charged him and sent him in. So
I'm assuming that this is so dumb, dude.
Listen, Robbie, I understand your frustration. I really do. I 100% get it. I absolutely do not like how.
This makes me want to go grab the PD Glock that he's hiding and fucking shoot Denzel Shiesty and give it back to the guy. Honestly,
okay,
I'm sorry.
Tell me that was a joke.
I'm sorry. That was a joke. It was a joke. It was a joke for sure. It was a joke. Go ahead.
Listen, what you're saying is true. You probably have a pretty easy case to win here. Your client has to just wait a few days.
I'm gonna go vintage.
They all have very good availability, as I'm sure you're aware. And we can probably make.
How about this? To send a message, can you accept the docket case right now and then call him up and set it for like an hour if everybody's around?
I will be seeing this case on the docket. Yes, I will be continuing to be your judge for this.
Now, my question is, can we send a message here and accept the docket case the second I post it up right now?
Okay, I'm not collaborating with you. The police is the issue. It's something that I will address in my own.
I'm gonna kill him like I killed Sam Bass, Angel. If this doesn't get through, honestly.
Ramee, that's a criminal threat.
I'm sorry.
To say that
I'm very hot. I'm joking. I'm just so upset right now.
Thank you. I understand your frustration. I really do. And I appreciate that you're fighting very hard for your clients.
It's not even about that at this point. This is just shoddy police work, like you said.
Okay, listen. I might be getting to the point where I'm going to be conflicted on this, Ramee, okay?
I mean, I'll give you the Glock and we could go do him up like we did Bass, honestly. Like, I don't mind.
Ramee.
Sorry, go ahead. I'm joking. What's up, Norm?
Hey, Ramee. This is more about the thing we talked about the other night?
No. This is another groundbreaking fucking case. Another one.
Yeah, I'll explain the details for you.
Yeah. I'll let you guys finish up your chat. I'm gonna just look through some paperwork over here real quick.
Okay.
Ramee, hope you're doing well. Hope you took that advice I gave you to heart the other day.
I don't remember what it was, Norm.
I'll grab it, and we will start scheduling, and we'll get this all sorted out for you. Okay?
Yeah. I mean, between you and I, what else should I charge you? Now my client can't live life. He literally cannot live. He's negative 30K in the bank. He literally cannot even buy a fucking bottle of water from the supermarket. He can't buy a rental to make money back. He literally cannot live. Literally. He has to literally be a beggar.
That is a pressing issue.
Like, I don't understand why. Like, what the fuck is this? They're the ones that told me to make this appeal. The cops.
Is that true?
Yes!
So, I guess I just need to understand this timeline, because I thought you contacted them and they agreed to a trial.
Okay. I got called by my legal aid that there's a guy. Hello?
You know, I'll go see who's out in the main.
Oh, Snow, come in here, please. Explain to the judge.
Okay.
Hello.
Don't worry, he's just gonna let her know how fucking broke he is.
I don't want to hear any details about the case.
How broke are you? Go ahead, Snow. Go ahead. Tell your financials right now.
Oh, I'm minus $30,195.
Okay. Now, what are you gonna do in this meantime?
I need to go. What can I do?
Be a payslip whore at fucking Senior Buns, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to go flip burgers.
Okay, there you go. Okay, and you have to flip burgers for how long? How many payslips does that require? 30. You need 1,000 payslips to fucking pay. Payslips are $30, right? Now, how many payslips do you make an hour at Senior Buns? 20 max.
Yeah.
So
probably.
he needs to work 60 hours at Senior Buns to even break even over a charge that he literally, you saw the evidence, didn't get charged for.
Well, here's what I would recommend you do then, Ramee. After you file your appeal, I'd recommend that you file a civil suit if you think you have a case. And
sorry? I mean, I know what that is, but can you just run that back for me? Just run it back for Snow so he knows. I definitely know what that is. Go ahead.
I know you do. So
I know.
Essentially, after this appeal is filed, you're also going to want to file a second case, what's called a civil suit, which is basically where you would be presenting to a judge potential for damages and whatnot. That's if you think you have a case. That's if you wanted to push for that. That's something that you could do.
Interesting.
Now, Snow, Angel, why don't you go ahead and tell Snow what would he be filing for in the civil suit?
I'm not gonna do that.
Well, like, give me an example. Like, it would be like loss of wages, stuff like that, right?
Listen, I'm already teetering on the edge.
Gross
of
negligence.
That's completely Ramee.
No,
trauma?
for sure. For trauma. Okay, yeah, no. Thank you so much, Angel. Thank you so much.
So that's something that you can do with him. You can counsel him on that, and as a lawyer, you can help him walk through that process. that's where we're gonna be at. Okay, file that.
Thank you so
appeal,
much.
and I'll see you there. Okay.
Thank you so much. I'm gonna do that shit right now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Angel, once again, thank you so much. And the P90X is really working out. Let me tell you.
Thank you. Thank you. Hey Norm, can you give me a ride to the police department?
Hey, he's not gonna get. Hey, don't go too hard on Denzel, all right? I don't want him to get fired, right?
Yeah, we'll see about that, Ramee.
Oh my God, we almost.
Um.
Bro, we just got that cop fired.
How's it going?